In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your billing through Hostinger's VPS platform. Whether you're just starting with Hostinger or are looking to understand your account better, this guide will help you streamline the process. To begin, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once you're all set up and connected, head over to Hostinger's website by typing hpanel.hostinger.com into the URL bar and pressing enter. It's always a wise idea to have your login credentials on hand, but if you don't, you can easily reset your password by following their simple prompts. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of menu options, each tailored to streamline different aspects of your hosting experience. Now, let's focus on what we came here for, VPS management. Look towards the menu options available where you'll see a section labeled VPS. This is where we're headed next. Clicking on VPS will take you directly into the management interface for your virtual private server. Inside the VPS dashboard, there's a comprehensive range of tools and options tailored to assist you in managing your virtual environments effectively. However, our focus today is on billing, so you want to locate the billing section next. Usually it's prominently positioned, making it accessible for users to review and update their billing information conveniently. Go ahead and click on Billing. Once you're in, you'll have access to detailed billing information including invoices, payment history, and current billing methods. This central hub is essential for anyone needing to track their expenses or update their payment details. It's important to keep this information up to date to ensure uninterrupted service. If you need to update your payment method, you'll typically find an option to add a new payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal. Follow the on-screen prompts to update any necessary details. Managing your billing via Hostinger's VPS platform may initially seem daunting, but as you can see, it's really quite straightforward once you're familiar with the interface. One tip to ensure a smooth process is to regularly check your billing portal for pending invoices or any subscription updates. This proactive approach will help you avoid any service disruptions in the future. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive guide to navigating your billing functionality within Hostinger's VPS platform. Remember, maintaining clear records and monitoring your billing statements frequently is integral to managing your account effectively. Thanks for joining us in this tutorial, and make sure to stay tuned for more insights and tips to optimize your Hostinger experience.